Morning pipers. I have to excuse the voice today, it's a little bit hoarse, a bit gruff, coming off the back end of a cold. Still hanging about this little bit of a sore throat. A lot better though. Just sounds like I've got the typical smoker's voice. Smoking McLaren's old dark fire. In a little sitter poker that one of the lads on UK Pipe and Tobacco Group nicknamed The Thing after The Thing from the Fantastic Four. Kind of get where he's coming from. Lovely. Now you might notice that I just go lovely, beautiful, tastes nice a lot, because I'm pretty shit at reviews. And not one for sort of like saying, oh, get a bit of cherry or a bit of fig or some black currants or whatever, because I don't get it. I either love a tobacco, like it, or it's just okay. So ODF, Old Dark Fire, gets a love it. And amazingly enough, it's not a vapor, so things are changing, I think, maybe, getting onto the Old Bailey. So, just before I start, I want to shout out to Phil from Uncle Phil's Cellar, who got his pipe that Cass Piper Cassidy kindly bought him as a surprise, and he got it and he did an unboxing video and he loves it, and I just want to say thank you for doing that. So that's Uncle Phil's Cellar. If you don't already follow him, I'm sure you all do, because everyone does. And the other one is to, let's see, I wrote it down, Kev the Granite City Piper, who, after watching my video where I was showing you my pipes, bought the Black Shotgun Poker. So we'll be getting that Monday, posted today. So I'm more excited than him, I think. Well, obviously he's excited, but I get just as excited to see what the reaction's going to be from the customer. Nice bit of jaw. Give this a little tamp down. So, as I said in the previous video, I've been working away this week with the day job. So the parcels piled up, lucky me, it's like Christmas. So we'll run through a few of them if you want to see them. If not, turn off. So we'll start with the tobacco. Another tobacco order. The cellar's getting quite full now. I was going to slow it down until I think I put a comment on something saying I was buying too much tobacco, and Glenn from Drop Bear Woodworks just said, what are you on about? You never have too much tobacco. So might as well get some more orders in. So this is from Cooper Joe's. Newspaper, as I said before, I'll have a little read of that afterwards, see if there's any good articles. We've got a couple of stickers. Oh, Cooper Joe's. And then we've got just 2 tobaccos, but 3 tins of each. So we got 3 John Cotton's double press Kentucky, and 3 John Cotton's double press Virginia. Not had any of them, but I saw Ichiban Piper, no, Ichiban Dipper Ichiban Dipper on one of his videos saying how nice it was and sounded right on my street when I read the reviews and the description, etc. So I thought we'd get a tin of each to try and a couple for seller in case I like it, which I will, because I always do. So that's the tobacco order. Nothing too exciting. Then the other thing I got was trying to get, or having a go again with the snuff. And back in the day when I did used to snuff, I always had talk snuff. So we've ordered, they do, what we got, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 tins for, I think it's 17 quid, the 10 grand. So you can kind of sample a load for 17 quid, which is like a tin of baccy, I suppose, isn't it? So we got lime, Kentucky bourbon, toasted marmalade, wild berry, absinthe, chocolate, whiskey and honey, Christmas pudding, blueberry, and the final one, citrus. So the amount of snuff I take, they'll probably last me like 5 years or something daft. But it's so cheap stuff that it's like, it's no biggie if you get a little tin like that and you don't like it. So we thought we'd give it a go. Joined the snuff group on Facebook. Can't remember what it's called, Snuff Takers UK maybe. So we'll see how that goes. We've got a little letter which from the International Lunting Society, which is a little club for lunters. Now, I'm not a lunter. I don't like smoking outside at all, to be honest. Even sat in garden, I'd rather be sat here in the shed. I don't know if it's the wind blowing on the pipe or whatever, but the tobacco just doesn't taste the same to me. So I've joined a lunting society. I don't go lunting, but I think it was for $5. You got these cool little badges. That's a sticker. I'm going to get it right way around. And a patch. And if it can help fund something to do with smoking, or pipe smoking, then they're welcome to me money. And I've got a nice little patch to pop on something, or pop here in the shed. And they've got a bit of cash to help the club keep going. And the last two might wake this young chap up, because it's snap based. And I thought they'd go really good with the pipe. And this company to me was recommended to me by Briar Boyo on Instagram. Mentioned him before. He comes up with some cracking little suggestions of things to try, etc. And one of them was biltong and drawers, which are like dried snacks, South African, and the company is Savannah, which is UK based, and it's all grass-fed animals, etc, etc. And here we've got some beef drawers. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right, but it could be. Chili chutney. So what is it there? 500 grams. And we got 250 grams of the original. I like dried sausages. I think they're just air cured, dried. Look at him, he's awake now. Are you sniffing? Ooh, what's that? He'll eat anything and everything. And we got some original biltong as well. So I think it'll go well with the smoke. You know, like I presume they'll be like a bit smoky as well, you know, with spices and that they've got in them. So it'll be a nice accompaniment to a smoke, I think. It's still going, I think, it's fine. So that's a little haul there. We've got some snacks, we've got a bit of baccy, we've got the snuff, and we've helped out a little tobacco society. So all in all, a good little haul. Look at him, he's after him. He's after my snacks. So that's it for today, I think. The new lather's arrived, set up, all in place. Looks a little bit complicated, so I'm going to try and get my head around that this weekend. I've got a commission to finish up. I'll film the lathe once I get it working, etc, etc. Finish up the commission, and might have a cigar tonight, and some whiskey or bourbon, something of that calibre. So, hope you're all doing well. Hope you all have a smoky weekend. Stay smoky, my friends, and we'll catch you next time.